don't turn around, win $10,000. To win the money, you cannot turn around.
I'm not turning around, Jimmy. There's no way I'm
Whoa,
turning around.
there's literally a guy on fire.
There is nothing you can tell me to make me turn around.
car coming.
I'm not turning around, Jimmy.
You've got 10 seconds.
Sabrina Carpenter.
You literally could have just said hi to Sabrina Carpenter.
No!
But I don't know if it's safe here.
Jimmy!
5, 4,
Oh my God!
3, 2,
Jimmy, what's behind me?
1.
Jimmy!
You can turn around.
No, I can't, Jimmy.
This is your 10 grand. Turn around. You would have actually won 100 grand.
I tried.